Weber's Spirit E310 needs almost no introduction. It's Weber bringing the brand's build quality to a 3-burner propane desktop that's aimed at people who want long life and proven design. The listing and Weber materials stress a 10-year limited warranty, porcelain enameled cast iron grates that hold heat and are easy to clean, Snapjet ignition, stainless flavorizer bars to vaporize drippings for extra flavor, and Weber's grease management system with pull-out tray, the sort of features that let you focus on cooking instead of fiddling with maintenance. The Spirit line also supports WeberWorks snap-on accessories, so you can expand functionality later. If you're their buy it once and be done type, this is the grill that makes you feel smugly responsible. It gets to temp fast, gives very consistent heat across the grates, and the build is noticeably more robust than bargain alternatives. On the product page, buyers repeatedly praise the reliability and durability. The higher-priced Weber Premium shows in a more refined cooking experience, better heat retention, cleaner sear marks, and significantly fewer replacement parts over time. The downside, you pay a premium upfront compared with entry-level 3-burners, and some folks who mostly grill twice a year feel it's more machine than they need. Pros: proven Weber longevity and warranty, excellent grates and heat management, accessory ecosystem, and tidy grease handling. Cons: more expensive than value brands and heavier to move. The snapshot indicated strong buyer interest and hundreds bought in recent periods. Check the product link for the live price. And yes, we share by links in the description box.